New York State is stepping up efforts to curb the rise of ticks carrying Lyme disease.
They're doing this as new numbers show just how dangerous this problem has become. Ashley Edlund is live at Cobbs Hill right now in Rochester with more. Ashley?
Well, experts say this is going to be a bad year for ticks, especially in wooded areas like this one. And they say some of those ticks are going to be pretty hard to spot. Everywhere, from parks to backyards. But what's really worrying health officials is the number. More than half of adult ticks in New York are now carrying Lyme disease, and more than a quarter of immature ticks called nymphs carry it. Those numbers can lead to more cases for doctors. Dr. Edward Walsh, the chief of Infectious Disease at Rochester General Hospital, says that's been the case in Rochester.
We've seen more people with Lyme disease over the last several years.
And he expects this year will fall in line with this trend.
They probably will see more cases of Lyme disease perhaps this year than perhaps in previous years.
Dr. Walsh says some of the ticks can be tough to see, but there's things to look out for.
Once the organism infects you, it produces a rash at the site of the tick bite. Then it can spread, but it also may be accompanied by a fever, a headache, muscle aches and pains, things of that sort of typical flu-like symptoms.
Now, doctors say nymph ticks are actually the ones that are more likely to spread Lyme disease to humans. So they say when you're in an area like this with lots of trees, you want to double check when you get home just to make sure you don't have any ticks. Adam.
Thank you, Ashley. Now, if you do find a tick on your body or someone you're looking at, it's important to remove it properly. Using tweezers, grasp the tick closest to the skin by its head, pull it straight out without twisting. Wash the bite with soap and water. Do not use a lit match or petroleum jelly to remove the tick. And see a doctor if the tick has burrowed into the skin or if any part of the tick's remains cannot be removed. Also, to see what steps the state is taking to fight ticks, head to rochesterfirst.com. We have an article on that.